Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a course on Stan Store step by step. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Stan Store account. Once you're in, head over to the Add Product section. Here, select the e-course option. Now you'll be taken to the course step on page where you'll see the option to add a thumbnail checkout page and your course content. Start by uploading a thumbnail image for your course. Then give your course a title. Just make sure it stays within the 50 character limit. Next, move on to the checkout page. Here you can upload a cover image, add a description, and choose your payment type, like a one-time payment, for example. Now it's time to structure your course. Add modules. Within each module, you can create lessons. You can customize each lessons with videos, text, or materials. And yes, you can rename both modules and lessons at any point. Once you're satisfied with the structure and content, hit that publish button and your course or the course goes live. And that's it. You have just created of your course on a Stan Store. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech how to tools. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.